Hi, I'm Nero. You're welcome to Ania Organics. And today I'm going to be telling you 6 ingredients that you should never put in your black soup. And I'm going. Oh shit. If this is your first time here, welcome to Ania Organics. Subscribe for organic and promising skincare tips and recipes. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To turn the post notifications so you don't miss any of those juicy videos. Trust me, I post the real deal, not copy. Okay, guys, let's get down to business. Have my notes here that I'll be looking at from time to time. One. So number one on my list is sugar. Adding sugar to your black soup can make it watery, but it's not totally bad if you know what you're doing. So if you're a professional, you can be able to walk around it without coming out with a watery black soup. So we have acids like lactic acid, glycolic acid. Now adding them into your black soup for exfoliating effects might not be the best decision because black soap is alkaline in pH and glycolic acid is acidic in pH. So glycolic acid is not going to be able to work in a alkaline pH. If I'm going to be adding lactic acid or glycolic acid into my black soap, it's going to be more for pH balancing purposes and not for the exfoliating effect. It can make your black soap come out watery. Number three on my list is way too many ingredients. I look around and I see a lot of people adding this powder and that powder and this powder. The truth is, you only need about 2 to 3 lightning powders. Those they are enough at 2% to 4% usage rates. If you add so many powders, some of them may end up cancelling each other, and so they won't have any effect. You just waste your money putting all these ingredients that you won't even be able to get the benefits of. So don't waste your money. Four. Number four on my list is some whitening powders. Yes, there are some whitening powders like Sim White, and niacinamide. For the pH is between 3.5 to 6, is acidic, and so it won't be stable or it won't even work in black soup. And if you add it, if it becomes unstable, it can revert back to hydroquinone because AHA is a derivative of hydroquinone. And if it reverts back to hydroquinone, it might be hazardous for your skin. So I'm going to make a separate video whereby I'll expatiate and talk more on the powders that can't be placed in black soup. So subscribe and turn on post notifications so you do not miss that video. 5. I promise I'm not saying waka. Water. Water acts as a diluent. So instead of using just plain water, I like to use fruit extracts like pineapple, watermelon, cucumber, coconut water, etc. Just blend them up together and extract their juice and use that instead of water. Fun fact is that watermelon is the same pH or in a similar pH range as black soap. So watermelon works very well with black soap and is very effective. 6. Steroid creams or tubes. Some people like to add these in their black soup in order to boost the lightening effect, but nah, it's not advisable. It's an emollient. It's not really advisable. You don't need to do that. Save that more for the creams, not for the black soup. So if you received value from this video, please make sure to like this video so that YouTube can promote this video to more people so I can be encouraged to make more videos. And if you were able to get this far, drop a comment below saying I did it. Let's see how many people made it this far in the video. My next video is going to be about 5 ingredients that must be in your black soup. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss that video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Hi, I'm Nero and I'm going. Oh shit. So plain water, plain water, plain water. Number five. Number five. No, I think I'll do that. Today, Wednesday, and Friday. Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about 5 ingredients that shouldn't be in your black soup. On to next. Yay.